Hi guys, it's Lucky and today I'm out of drag and a little bit of makeup to show you guys how I take off my makeup. I pretty much do it the same way in and out of drag, except if I was in drag I would take off my lashes, and if I have like glitter on my eyes I'll use duct tape and stick it on and remove it so you don't get it all over your face and in your eyes. Also, none of this is sponsored or else I'd like mention it, so I just I wet that in the sink. Now my face is a little pink because I'm kind of scraping. So this is how I just like stay from breaking out. I'm gonna be truly honest, I never really get rid of the eyebrows I make, so if you do get pimples around that area, please take off. I am like truly unbothered. So for taking off mascara, I just kind of go like this, then I go under like that, and I push it up and kind of curl your eyelashes up with the cloth to get all the gunk out. And also, we're not even going to talk about like the unbrushed hair. That's like, also, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind later. And I always make sure to get all the makeup off of my neck and my sideburns because I always forget that area. Okay. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to use my Neostrata Clarify Mandela Cleanser. Also, it's wet because I just washed my hand. Ooh. I take a little bit of that and I make it all soapy. And I also have a cold sore, so I'm gonna slap some Revel on that bad boy. But yeah, I just keep on my eyebrows because they'll just fade away in my sleep and there's not really a point. So after that, I grab a little cotton round. And I go in with my witch hazel. This is just normal witch hazel. Hashtag not sponsored by witch hazel. And then I'm going to put that all over this little pad. And get off the rest of the makeup. Okay, so this is where I will... Okay, this is where I moisturize. I use two moisturizers, one from Complex 15 and one from Neostrata. So I go in with the Neostrata one pretty much all over my face. Then I go in with the Complex 15 and I put that all over my nose. Oh, and I make sure to get that on my neck because my neck is like the driest if I don't. And that's my everyday skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe for more. Let me know what you guys use for your skincare in the comments below. And subscribe for more.